Good afternoon, children. Then today we can do it two problems, children. Yes, look here, all of you. First one is Arun's timetable already given here. And what is telling in that, children? 1/3 of a day is used for sleeping, and 1/8 part of a day is for playing, and 1/4 of a day is taking for studying. So the question is, what is the question? How many hours does Arun take for sleeping? How many hours taken? Yes, question is, how many hours taking for studying, sleeping and playing. Studying, sleeping and playing. Question is this one. According to the Arun's timetable, 1/3 part of the day is used for sleeping, and 1/8 part of a day is used for playing, and 1/4 of a day is used for studying. So we want to find out how much hours is taking for these three. How much hours is taking for these three? Yes, look here. For studying, how much part of taking for studying, children not studying? First we can find out sleeping. How much hours is taking for sleeping? Yes, he is taking 1/3 part of a day is taking for sleeping, isn't it? So 1/3 part of a day means a day is equal to how much hours in a day, children? 24 hours in a day, isn't it? A day means that is 24 hours. In that 24 hours, 1/3 part of that 24 hours is taking for sleeping. That means 1/3 for sleeping. Time taking for sleeping is equal to 1/3 of 24. That means 1/3 into 24. Then how many 1/3s are in, or how many 3s are in 24? How many 3s are 24? 8 3s are, isn't it? So 8 hours is taking for sleeping. Then how much hours is taking for playing? Yes, playing means, yes, how many hours for taking for time taking for, how many hours taking for playing, children? That is 1/8 part, isn't it? 1/8 part of the day, that is 1/8 part of the 24. So 1/8 of 24 is equal to 8. How many times that goes in 24? That is 3 times. So means 1 3s are 3. So 3 hours is taking for playing. That is 3 hours is taking for playing, and 8 hours is taking for sleeping. Then how much hours is taking for studying? Yes, for studying, that is 1/4 portion of a day. 1/4 of a day. That means 1/4 of a day means 1/4 of 24. Then how many 4s in 24? That is 8 4s. Isn't it? 8 4s are, no, 6 4s are. 6 4s are in 24. How many 4s are 26? 4s are. 6 4s are 24, isn't it? Then 6 hours is taking for studying. 6 hours is taking for studying. That is 1/3 part of the day means that is 8 hours, that is for sleeping, and 1/8 part of a day means that is 3 hours for playing, and 1/4 part of a day that is 6 hours, that is for studying. Okay. And for next question in that, what part of the day does he use for other activities? 24 hours in a day, isn't it? In that 24 hours, 8 hours, 3 hours plus 6 hours already taken, isn't it? In 24 hours in one day, from that 24 hours, we want to minus 8 hours taking for sleeping, and 6 hours for studying, and 3 hours for sleeping, isn't it? So we want to find out the how much hours is remaining, or how much hours is used for other activities. That is 24 minus 8 plus 6, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 3, 17. That is 24 minus 17, that is 7 hours. So how much hours is taken? That is 7 hours is taking for other activities. taking for other activities. Okay. Then next one. Next question, children. Yes, school magazine. That you want to read it and do it, children. A school has decided to bring out a magazine every quarter of the year. Then how many magazines will they have in a year? If they want to print it and end of the quarter of the year, which are the months for the printing, mark the number of all those months. Months already 12 months in a year, isn't it? That 12 months already given here. Then you want to find out what is the quarter of the year, then which are the months, that you have to read it and do it, children. Then next one more in that, have you heard of Kumbhakarna, the brother of Ravana? He is famous for sleeping for half a year. Half a year means 6 months, isn't it? This Kumbhakarna is sleeping half a year means 6 months is already he is sleeping. Then how much hours we are sleeping? We already here found out that is Arun is taking 8 hours for sleeping, isn't it? Then we are also taking that much hours. Then here, look here, most people sleep about 8 hours per a day. Then what part of a day is it? What part of a day is it that we already found, isn't it? Yes, 8 hours. So people are sleeping 8 hours. 8 hours in a day. Then what is the part of the day? 8 hours means what is the part of the day is using for sleeping. So we want to find out the part of a day for sleeping means how much part is 8 out of 24, isn't it? In 24 hours, that is 8 hours is taken. Yes, 8 hours is taking for sleeping. Then in one day means 24 hours. So 8 by 24. 8 by 24 means we want to find out 8 by 24. How many 8s are in 8? 1 8s are in 8. And how many 8s are in 24? 3 8s are. So 1 by 3 part or 1/3 part. Okay. Then next one. Yes, next one. One more question in that, children. Take page number 69. In 69, you can see one price list already given in the items already given: tomato, potato, onion, carrot, gourd, and price. What are the prices of each thing? Also, each that is fruits and vegetables. That is vegetables that already given. Yes, what is the price of the tomato, children? 12 rupees per kilogram. 12 rupees for tomato and 10 rupees for potato, 16 rupees for onion, carrot 18 rupees and gourd, that is 8 rupees. These are the price list of these vegetables. And what is the question, children? That is the shopping list. In the how much does 2 kilogram of tomato cost? First one is how much rupees for 2 kilogram, or what is the price of 2 kilogram tomato cost, or what is the price of 2 kilogram tomato? Yes, cost of or price of tomato per kg, that is 12 rupees. 12. And what is the cost of 2 kilogram of tomato? 2 kilogram tomato means 12 into 2, isn't it? 12 into 2, how much rupees? Rupees 24, isn't it? 24 rupees for 2 kilogram of tomato. And second question, how much does half kilogram of tomato cost? What is half kilogram of tomato cost means? What is the cost of tomato? That is 12 rupees, isn't it? Then half of 12. Half of 12 means 2 out of 12, 6 rupees. Then 6 rupees for half of the tomato cost. Then next question, one more question I will do now. Next one is, what is the cost of Kiran wants to 2.5 kilogram of tomato. How much will it cost? Kiran wants to purchase 2.5 kilogram of tomato, isn't it? 2.5 kilogram of tomato. Then what is the cost of, or how much rupees he want to pay for this 2.5 kilogram of tomato? Then yes, how is doing that, children? Cost of tomato per kg. Cost of tomato is equal to 12 rupees, isn't it? That is 12 rupees, isn't it? Then for 1 kilogram, that is 12 rupees, isn't it? For 2 kilogram is equal to, that 12 into 2, that is 24 rupees. Then we want to know how much price we want, Kiran want to give for 2.5 kilogram tomato, isn't it? For 2 kilogram, that is 24 rupees. And for half kilogram, then we want to know how much rupees for half kilogram. Half kilogram means 12 into half, that is 6 rupees, isn't it? For 2.5 kilogram is equal to 24 plus 6. Then how much rupees he want to pay? 30 rupees he want to pay for the 2.5 kilogram tomato. And what is next? How much does 3.5 kilogram potato cost? What is the cost of 3.5 kilogram of potato? 3.5 kilogram of not tomato, potato. Then what is the price of 3.5 kilogram of potato, or otherwise how much rupees want to pay for the 3.5 kilogram of potato? Then price of the or cost of the potato is equal to, what is the cost of potato? That is 10 rupees. Rupees 10. That is for 1 kilogram. That is for 1 kilogram potato, that is rupees 10. For 3 kilogram is equal to, 3 kilogram is equal to 3 into 10, isn't it? That is 30 rupees. And how much rupees want to pay for half kilogram? For half kilogram is equal to half of 10. What is half of 10? That half of 10 is 5, isn't it? So rupees 5. Then how much rupees for 3.5 kilogram is equal to 30 plus 5, that is 35 rupees. Did you understand? Yes, look here, cost of 3.5 kilogram potato means cost of potato, that is rupees 10. So for 3 kilogram potato, that means 3 into 10, 30 rupees. And what is the half kilogram price of the half kilogram potato? That is 10 rupees for 1 kilogram. For half kilogram means 5 rupees. So for 3 kilogram, that is 30 rupees, and for half kilogram, that is 5. Then 35 rupees he want to pay for the 3.5 kilogram of potato. So next 3, 1, 2, 3, 5 more questions in that you have to do it. Read and do it. Okay. Yes, children. Bye.